Okay, this is the way I like to do my radius. I slide that piece up in there and then listen to the sound. Clips right in. I make sure the bottom pushed all the way up. Put a short screw in the back. Make sure we're lined up here. Put a screw in the back, and this bottom 90 and this top 90 are what you got to pay attention to. Put a screw in here and one right here. That just ensures it'll never move. I used to do it with no screws, but they would come apart and it would look like a train wreck. And then I put my hanger on this piece and it sucks both of them up tight. Slip it in behind that one. Snap it in place. I cut both pieces at an angle so you can snap it in. Make sure that the bottom of this piece is touching this one. Put a short screw in. And then I always check my 90s, make sure they're straight. And I put a screw right there, but you put it in a little ways so you can slide your other piece in. And then make sure these are straight. Put your short screws in. And that way they're all straight all the way down and it's not up and down like a train wreck.